Talk about antiarrhythmic drugs. Antiarrhythmic agents are the drugs which are used to modify or restore to normal the abnormal cardiac rhythm. In general, the cardiac arrhythmias can be considered to arise from either the abnormal conduction or abnormal impulse initiation or both. The disorders of the heart rate and rhythm are caused by various diseases and use of certain drugs. The action of antiarrhythmic drugs is a consequence of the direct action or indirect modification of macromolecules that control transmembrane ion fluxes. The antiarrhythmic agents have been placed under four groups depending on their electrophysiological effects. First one is class 1 antiarrhythmic drugs, that is, they act by blocking the fast sodium ion channels. So the drugs of this class depress the fast inward sodium current in the cardiac muscle and thereby prolong the effective refractory period and reduce the phase 4 depolarization. We have quinidine, procainamide, disopyramide. Then we have lidocaine-like drugs, lidocaine, mexiletine, tocanide, and third one is flecainide, like flecainide, propafenone, etc. Then we have class 2 antiarrhythmic drug, that is beta adrenergic antagonist. These drugs reduce the sympathetic stimulation of the heart and they inhibit the phase 4 depolarization, especially that is augmented by catecholamines. So example is propranolol. Then we have class 3, that is repolarizamide hydrochloride. This is 4-amino N2-diethylamino ethyl benzamide monohydrochloride. This is white to tan odorless hygroscopic crystalline powder, freely soluble in water, alcohol, and slightly soluble in chloroform and ether. Melting point is 165 to 169. This is useful in suppressing arrhythmias of ventricular origin, and is also effective against premature arterial contraction and atrial fibrillation. This is used in the management of myotonia and in the treatment of arrhythmias in alcohol withdrawal. The dosage 250 to 500 mg every 3 to 6 hours IV, slowly 25 to 50 mg until the arrhythmia is suppressed, and the dosage for tablets, capsules, injections, which is available as 1 gram per 2 ml. Then we talk about mexiletine. Mexiletine is 1-methyl 2,2,6-xylyl oxyethylamine, white crystals, melting point 205, primarily useful in ventricular arrhythmias and effective in chronic patients. The major advantage is oral efficacy and long half-life. The dosage 200 to 300 mg given every 8 hours with food. The dosage forms capsules 150, 200 and 250 mg. The next drug we talk about beryllium tosylate, that is 2-bromo N-methyl N-dimethyl benzene methenamium 4-methyl benzene sulfonate. This is white crystalline powder with extremely bitter taste. The compound is freely soluble in water and alcohol, melting point 98 degree. This is indicated for life-threatening severe ventricular tachyarrhythmias which are unresponsive to other drugs. The dosage intramuscular 5 to 10 mg per kg repeated 1 to 2 hours, and the dosage form injection 50 mg per ml. Then we talk about the next drug, that is flecainide acetate. This is available as white granular solid, soluble in isopropyl alcohol, melting point 145 to 147. This is a class 1C antiarrhythmic drug used for the treatment of ventricular arrhythmias and tachycardias. The dosage orally 100 mg every 12 hours IV, injection 2 mg per kg over 30 minutes. The dosage form tablets and injections. We talk about verapamil hydrochloride, available as brand name Cordilox. This is a white odorless crystalline powder soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, freely soluble in chloroform. This is a calcium channel blocker, and this is classified as class 4 antiarrhythmic, used in the control of supraventricular tachyarrhythmias and the management of variant angina pectoris. The dosage 5 to 10 mg in 30 seconds to be continued as desired, and dosage form available as tablets 40, 80, 120, 160 mg, injection 2.5 mg per ml. Thank you.